Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. I am Maslima Grandi Ulama of City Ayesha National High School and I will be your oral communication teacher for this week. But before that, let us first define what is communication. Communication is a process of sharing and conveying messages or information from one person to another. So this time, let us look at how communication works. We have a lot of reasons to communicate or share our thoughts, right? So, let us have the 5 basic functions of communication. The first one is control. People use communication to maintain control over people's attitude and behavior. For example, in school, your teacher and the administrator use communication to direct your efforts to positive channel in order to learn new skills, gain more knowledge, develop competencies, and imbibe good values. Another example is an interviewee trying to control herself to meet the expectations set by the interviewer. The interviewee changes her behavior according to how the interviewer manages the conversation. Number 2, social interaction. Communication allows acting and reacting to the behavior of people around us. By revealing our thoughts and feelings, we elicit reactions from others. Communication helps us also start, maintain, regulate, or even end relationships with other people. We usually establish a positive climate at home, in school, and in the workplace by simply greeting them and by exchanging pleasantries with them. Number 3, emotional expression or therapeutic function. Have you found yourself talking to a friend about your personal problem? Did you know that communication is actually a curative and serves to maintain good health? Communication makes people the release or unloading of emotions, resulting in catharsis. It facilitates people's expression of their feelings and emotions, and sometimes talking to a person does not mean asking for his or her help, right? Yes! So, why we need to talk to another person? Correct. We talk to another person merely just to vent our feelings. And after the talk, how do we find ourselves? Correct. After the talk, we are in a much better condition to think over matters that trouble us. Number 4, motivation function. We communicate to entice and direct people to act and reach their objectives or goals in life. In the process, we use positive language to make them realize that their actions lead them to something beneficial for their being. And the last but not the least, information dissemination. Do you agree that information dissemination is the most basic function of communication? Yes, and it is correct. It is the most basic function of communication that provides data and information for effective completion of tasks, solution of problems, and elimination of uncertainty. Information and communication actually will always be linked to each other. So, those are the 5 functions of communication. So, as an effective communicator, you must set your goal as to what you want to achieve before you proceed so that you can utilize your knowledge in verbal and non-verbal cues to your advantage. And I guess you are now ready to have an activity, right? Okay, so let's start. Identify the function of communication in each of the following situations. Number 1. The city mayor calls for a meeting with the teachers.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And that is motivation. Number 2. Rico meets Corey at the party. Then they start talking about their career.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Social interaction. Number 3. The oral communication group discusses how to improve their performance in the next presentation.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Information dissemination. Number 4. Lovely shares her funny experiences when she was in Japan.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Emotional expression. Number 5. Gina, a science teacher, explains the causes of volcanic eruption.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Information dissemination. Number 6. The regional director is very emotional in his farewell speech.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Emotional expression. Number 7. The school principal delivers his state of the school address.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Information dissemination. Number 8. Awarded the Best Actor in the Metro Manila Film Festival, extends his thanks to the public.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Motivation. Number 9. One of the best recognized city mayors presents his best practices.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Information dissemination. Number 10. The module writers orient the participants about the policy.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Information dissemination. Very good. Well done, everyone. Till next time. Again, I am Maslima Grande Olama. Thank you.